Hello everyone. Today's video is very special. You know why? Guess what? It's my dear Sapna's birthday. Yes, you are all dear Sapna's. Birthday celebration is going on. Our family is celebrating her birthday in a different way and making it very unique with a special cake. You know what is that special cake? Yeah, it's special because it is made up of vegetables, yeah, veggie cake. So, are you curious? Then come, I'll show you how to make it. First, for this, we have to take shredded carrot, have it dry roast it in a low flame. I'm taking a shredded carrot in a pan and roasting it, dry roasting it, and it takes little time. Just stir it for few minutes and until it becomes soft to chew. It should be like half cooked. It should not be fully cooked. And see, I think so. Now it is done. Yeah, I guess it is done. So this may be enough. So once it is done, what we have to do? Keep it aside and I was not having a small hole grater to grate the carrot, so I took a big hold one. So the size of the grated carrot is little big. Actually, it should be little bit small. So what you better you can do is you can take the small hold grater to grate it. So what I'm doing is again I'm taking this carrot and keeping in the chopper to chop it little bit to get small size. Now see I'm doing it and yeah, it is done. Now we have to make jaggery syrup. For this, I had taken jaggery and always try to take dark color jaggery, not white color. Okay, and now keep it to melt. I had taken for 1 cup of jaggery, add 3/4 or 1 cup of water. Stir it until it forms three string consistency. To identify it, take a small bowl with a little water in it, put 2 to 3 drops of jaggery syrup in it. This syrup is stagnant. See, it is not spreading in the water and it became hard soon. So this is the right consistency. Now add little bit of cardamom powder in that. Then add the dry roasted carrot. It had not measured it. Actually, I had not measured it properly. It's an approximately 1:1 cup jaggery and carrot. You can take according to your taste level. Dark jaggeries gives lesser sweets compared to the white jaggery. Okay, so according to that, according to your taste, you can increase or decrease the level of jaggery measurement. After that, adding carrot, just stir it again for few minutes. We should have to stir it to see the mixture is mixed well and make sure that it becomes thick. No, it should not have any water left in that. Okay, so this is the way we have to do it. Now it's done, so we have to keep it aside and let it cool. And now the time is to make cream. Do you know how I had made this cream? With what I am making this cream? See, first for this, take 1 cup of coconut, grind it without adding water, and add little cardamom powder in that. I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoon of jaggery syrup. You can add more according to your taste. How much sweet you want, you can add more or less according to it. And grind it once again to mix it well. And see, here I am making a vegetable cake. So the coconut itself does not give any creamy texture. So what I am doing here is I want to add an vegetable, as I am not able to add any fruits as this is vegetable cake. So I was thinking what to add. Then I got an idea to add a chow chow. Chow chow is in one type of vegetable. I'll show you how it is. So this is the chow chow. So this, what I had done is I had just boiled it and cut it in small pieces. And this I am adding in this, and then again grind it into smooth paste. See, if it is not grinding properly, you can add little bit of water in it and grind it. See, and grind until it becomes smooth paste. While grinding this chow chow, I had removed the coconut, so I am adding it again and grinding it once more to mix it well and become smooth paste. Okay, so grind it. For this, I had taken coconut, jaggery syrup, cardamom powder, and cooked chow chow to make this creamy texture, the cream on the base, what we do. So now let us see. Yeah, it is ready now. The creamy chow chow cream. Can you believe it? Okay, so come, let's now make the cake. Now I'm very excited to make cake, different cake. In a plate, spread the carrot and making the carrot base, and to make that I am making it with my hand only, the round shape. If you want, you can use any different shapes. I am using the simple method, or if you have any mold, you can use the mold also and make a shape. And next, on that base, I am using this cream, put all that on this and just spread it over everywhere, and to make a nice shape. So now carrot base and chow chow creamer is also ready. So I'm feeling very much excited. It looks so nice and so delicious it is looking. And finally, we can decorate with using nuts. I am using here almond and cashew. We can also use dry grapes. It will also be good combination. You can see how nice, how unique and delicious it's looking. Actually, I thought of making any fruit cake or just keeping some fruits in a different style and just keeping like that. But this idea, it came into my mind suddenly. Why not to make a vegetable cake? And now it's done. As we are traveling today, I did not get time to keep this in a refrigerator. So you do please keep in the refrigerator to get better result. Okay.
Hi everyone, today I am doing the video because my sister's birthday, Sapna. So, hi. So, happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. Today is a special,
Cake.
different birthday cake we had prepared today with veggies, vegetables. Can you believe preparing cake with vegetables? You have to try this one.
Yeah, it's so looking delicious because
Can you see veggies
yeah.
cake will be like this?
Ever heard that veggie cake? This is the first time I am having this.
New type of cake.
New type of cake. Especially this is my sister made this. He got this idea of making this, and I'm loving it. It's a different idea and different thing, right? Thank you. She's my sister, right? So, I say akka. Thank you, akka. Okay, cutting time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sapna. It's so delicious. Hmm. Wow. Actually, it's
Wow,
it is
so
good.
good.
So super.
Is there, does you feel any vegetable taste in this?
Yeah, I can feel the vegetable taste, but vegetable.
That too cake is different. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Mama. See, akade nodu. Bada, bada mein bada. Thank you. See, super. I am feeling like it.
Super. Did you like that? Yeah, he also like. Children's also liking it. How is it?
Yenಗಿದೆ.
How is the taste, Priya?
Wow.
Show to camera.
Okay. Thinking, what are the thumbs up?
How it is? It came delicious.
Very nice. Yay. See my hand. First time try it. First time success it take. I will fully happy. I so my family with my.
Wow. So once again, wish happy birthday.
Thank you. Full ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಈಗ.
Yeah, we can't wait. We can't wait, yeah. I let me, yeah. My son is liking it.
Wow. Did you ever heard of veggie cake? No? Maybe people are mad, but no. Thank you. Hmm. Very nice. Hmm. Box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡವರ. Okay. So after my birthday celebration, we are heading to Bangalore. Actually, I came to Harihar. It's my mother's house. It's in Karnataka, and from there I'm going back to my home. It's in Bangalore. So in the train, actually, we are celebrating here also. My birthday day we are celebrating here, and see my daughter. She's having idli, sattvic idli. Hi, say hi. I can show you one day how to make those sattvic powder. Gun powder is something. It's a peanut powder. It's very tasty. I will show you the other recipe, and you can see here my sister and my sister's son. Hi. So hi Manu. Hi. What are you having? Satvik idli. Satvik idli and chutney powder. And here she's having chutney, sattvic chutney it is. Yeah, it's a ridged guard chutney. So she is also having idlis. Mm. Yeah, sattvic idli. It has a one cucumber in that. Can you find out? It's a green color. It's a green color. So one sabji is also there in the idli, and it's very tasty, right? How it is? Yeah, but that I have to show you in the yeah. Chutney making with vegetable, we feel that it won't be good, but that's awesome. Yeah, and that chutney is not having any grains or nothing, just a vegetable, chili, and lemon. That's it. I want idli. And it's very tasty actually. I want no nuts, no peanuts or nothing. Coconut also we didn't had. Yeah, you can enjoy. Very nice. Did you like the mono taste? Yeah, I like the sattvic idli. You like it? He never used to eat sattvic idli, but today he is enjoying and eating. Yeah. It's nice and super tasty. Oh wow, nice. That's good. So surely we have to share this recipe for next time. Otherwise, people will be asking, share that recipe, right? So yeah. And you know what I am eating? See, those people are eating idli, but I am eating this mango. It's a raw mango, but it will be very tasty. This is a different mango. It's a different kind of mango. We say it's totapuri. I don't know. I have to check in Google. So what it names? It's very tasty actually. I am eating this. Yeah, I thought of in journey and all. I don't eat grains, so this is the perfect lunch for me. So my birthday was very special day, and I enjoyed the train journey and with my family. So this is the first time actually traveling all together in a train. It's a different experience, right? I'm writing, I'm just making notes of some learnings of some studies, and my sister is there, her son, and see what she is having. We brought the remaining cake here in the train, and she's enjoying that in train. And actually remaining cake, we ate it all ate it here. Remaining only like two bites we got, and my mother also, she also ate, and that's it, we finished the cake. And I didn't like, we didn't believe that it will come that much good. It was very tasty, and actually carrot and that creamer. So chocho creamer and carrot base, it was, the combination was very perfect, you know. And it was very memorable for me. I enjoyed a lot with my family, the nature and the train journey. And like, I am coming back to Bangalore. So it's in Karnataka itself, right? But it takes 5 hours, from 5 to 6 hours from Harihar, my mother's place, to Bangalore. So after that, even my sister, she has to go back to Kerala.
She is from Kerala, and she came for vacation, and now she is going for Kerala, and she has to continue the journey to Kerala. So I want to add one more thing here. I am feeling very gratitude because it's my birthday also. One more thing, I got a 4,000 subscriber to my channel, and because of these, all of you who loves and watch videos and supports me, because of you I am here. And thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Because of you all I am here, and so much thank you for that. I'm celebrating that also with my family, and this time now I have to send my sister so to Kerala. She has to continue her journey, and we are saying just a goodbye to her. It was very nice, and thank you for watching till now. And it was very, very awesome day for me. It's a very memorable thing for me. Thank you all. Thank you so much. ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಮನು ನೀವು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮುझे ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ರಿಯಾ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಗಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಮನು ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ So, okay, guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.